I fuck your bitch then kill her. I want everybody off cocaine here. I say cocaine. Go. Hey, don't you stop recording. Hey, this villain shit gets so deep.
Real deep.
I told the officer, if they said your badge is on the line,
Man,
I will beat the fuck out of you.
go, man. You don't
Fuck, Martin Luther King had hoes. They want to hide the fake. That nigga had hoes. Yeah, it worked.
You know the gang.
We can't talk right now.
You know the gang. You know the gang.
Hey, E. We can't talk on camera. I'm gonna come out at you. I'm coming out at you.
You full of shit, man. I'm gonna do a bullshit. I'm gonna do a
I fuck your bitch then kill her.
I done changed so much, but still they judge me.